Yeah, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oka from Cynthia. In this video tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you how you can do a very secured arbitrage with your Naira and USDT without having to, lose your funds with all these arbitrage platforms, same to Ghana, same to Uganda, and the rest of them, right? So now what you have to do is come to your Binance. You must have activated your P2P, right? Come to your Binance, then you come to this particular P2P trading platform. What you're going to do is you save your money in USDT. Right now, take for instance, 2 weeks ago Naira to dollar was trading around 700 Naira, and today is already trading around 867 Naira. Right now, what does this show you? This shows you that if you had purchased, let me say, if you have purchased $200, if you had purchased $200 at the rate of, let's say, 750 times 200, that is 150,000, right? At the rate of 750, and now you want to sell at the rate of 867, is going to be giving you, that is almost 23,000 Naira profit, right? For doing absolutely nothing. Some of you have funds that you don't have anything to do with it at the moment, yet you keep saving it for no just reason, right? You don't know what to do with it. Now, mind you, you are not investing in any crypto project, right? You are just keeping the money in USDT so that when you want to use it in future, you are going to, sell it over at Binance P2P, right? Then you get some percentage from it. It's not too technical. All you just have to do is have a Binance account, right? Get a Binance account. When you get a Binance account, you create your P2P account. Also, make sure that your Binance account is verified, because if your Binance account is not verified, you won't be able to do this stuff I'm talking to you about, right? You have to be verified to be able to trade on Binance P2P. So that is it. It's not difficult. It's just you trying to be smart with your money, because what you don't know is that dollar is actually going to hit 1,000 Naira to USDT dollar in the near, in fact, before this year runs out. It could even be before December, right? So if you are still keeping your money in Naira, looking for a better arbitrage opportunity to do, then you might be wasting your time, because there's nothing to wait for. Actually, just save it in USDT. Don't trade with it. You can even decide to lock it to avoid entering any particular trade that you have to lose your money in, right? Yeah, we also avoid investing unnecessarily, and also watching plenty YouTube videos that can show you things that will make you want to spend your money on testing whatever. So this is all you just have to do right now. Save your money in USDT, and when dollar gets to, let's say, 1,000 Naira, if you bought at 860, you are going to be having extra 150 profit. And let's take for instance that you purchased $2,000 dollars, right? 2,000 USDT, and dollar gets to 1,000 Naira. You're going to be having 150 profit on each of them. So when you times this by 2,000, you're going to be getting 300,000 Naira for doing just nothing. So you can see that this is actually something that you should consider doing if you have any money that you don't know what to use it and do at the moment, right? Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye. You can do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel and also join my Telegram group chat. Thank you.